Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to copy paste multiple cells in Excel to another sheet. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a simple data. So this data I'm going to copy paste to another sheet. So let's start. So simply just select the inside the cell of this data, and you can press the Control A, and you can use the shortcut key Control C to copy this data, and you can use the mouse also. Right click of the mouse and click on the copy. Okay, and then click on this plus sign to add the new sheets, and select the destination where you want to paste. So I select here the first cell, and I press here Control V. You can press the right click of the mouse and click on the paste also. Okay, so normally this way the copy paste to another sheet. Okay, the second way I show you here, I open here the one blank Excel file. Okay, here the sheet number 1 is added. Now suppose if you want to copy the same thing to the another sheet, it's automatically copy paste when you enter anything in sheet number 1. So let's see how it's done. I just add here the one sheets. Okay, there are two sheet. Select the sheet number 1. Okay, and press the control key, then sheet number 2. Okay, wait, sheet number 2. Now you can see the both sheet is showing the selection. Okay, now I just write here something. Suppose I write 1 2 3. I just write 1 2 and just select the both and drag with this corner point, and here 1 to 16 17 number, right? Now I just double click over here outside of the sheets, and I just click on the one sheet, double click on it. Now see, in sheet number 2, the 1 to 70, in sheet number 1 also same 1 to 70. This is automatically copy paste to the another sheets. Okay, so you hope you understood, right? And I show you the second way here. You can see if you want to copy paste the same entire data of sheet number 1, you can easily copy paste also. Just right click on the sheet number 1. Okay, and click on the move or copy option. Okay, then here the one dialog box is open, move or copy. Then here before sheet, you can see sheet number 1 and sheet number 4 in this Excel file. If you click on the move to end, it's automatically add the one sheet here. Okay, and I click here the move to end. You can select sheet number 4 also if you have so many sheet, and if you want to just copy paste the entire sheet on the another sheet, so you can select the sheet number also. Okay, so here I select the move to end, and if you want to same the only copy, create a copy only, not entire sheet, just move. I want to copy here, so click on this box. Okay, then click on the OK, and that's it. You can see the another sheet is automatically added with the same data. See, in sheet number 1 and here sheet number 2, the same data is move and copy paste. Okay, so these are the some different way you can copy paste the multiple cells to another sheets in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.